So in the last session, we have seen about the same selection tool, but in a circular manner, right? Uh, Hope it is
Yes, sir.
reached, and we got to know how to use the grid and the basic tools to help us to get the design. How to open this grid. So now the grid is there, but it is not visible. The reason behind it, the color of the grid is white. So get it into black and see the grid visible. Okay. Sometimes if it's not visible, check the color. Next. So till this, we have understood how to work with basic sets and make the design. But whenever it comes to the photo cutting and all things, the basics are cannot able to help us to make the photo cutting. Let us take example. We want to make this penguin to cut off. Then it is very difficult to make a selection through this rectangle and ellipse. So to get rid of this problem, we do have a next tool that is called lasso. So this is just like a pencil. We can draw around the surface of the subject and get that much of area to get selected. So the method of working, then now we are learning lasso tool. Hotkey L. It helps to do the selection as per the edge into consent. And it is a freehand drawing tool. So the method of working is just move on the edge. If you've done something wrong, nothing to get worried and get it close like this. Very small lines. Now, if it is not required, then already you have learned about subtraction. Get this much of area and make the subtraction. So hope now the selection becomes easier. Go on adding it with small circles. Only take the edge square and inside part. Nothing to get worried. Just we can freehand draw the things. And hold the space bar and move the image wherever you like and make small circles around the subject. So we have understood now how to add up the things and how to subtract if something goes wrong like this. It is the time to go for subtract. And in this way, we can make the subject selection. Any photograph to be get cut off, yes, we can add up this method. So once we understood the logic, then we can make the photograph a little smaller and get a little big lines to cover more area. So just make the circles as much as control, not like to be get at a times all the things. So get onto the edge. So inside part, we can take bigger circle, outside part only few lines and circles. So hope we have understood now. We have started with very small selection. Now slowly we are going to the bigger selection. And here the same onto the side. Yes, got this. Fine. So Photoshop is all about your photo manipulation. So photo manipulation starts with photo selection first. So once the selection is okay, then we can do the bigger experiment on it. So now we have seen how to handle the lasso around the subject. Control plus, get it zoom in and go and move on the edge. Yes. So it is complete concentration and patience job. But the job is the tool learning is not big issue. Only the things like how bigger way we are moving. That does matter. So hope we have understood now how to make the photograph to get selected. And Minimum things we can add and subtract as per the requirement, but altogether we have controlled the lasso tool to make a photograph to get selected. So after the selection is done, yes, we can make it a number of copies, or you can shift this design to any place. So let us see how to shift this to other canvas or inside this same canvas. We can switch to the move tool. As if the name, the work is to the hotkey is V. It helps us to get the photograph to move to another canvas. So let us take a new canvas. Let us go for like printing A4 size paper. New international paper A4 size. On this paper, we want to print this penguin alone. Then we can start making this data to transform from one file to the next file by which tool? Move tool. Come over here, and yes, we have taken this much of time to get select. So it is safe to save the selection with the name. So anytime a selection can or like deselect, then we can load it up once more. Now it is the time to get move by the move tool. So move your cursor over to the tool, over to the selected area. It will show you a Caesar like symbol. It indicates that we can take it from this place to other place. So drag and don't leave in the middle. If we leave in the middle, the software understand we need to cut it from here to here and it make a blank space. But instead of moving and dropping over here, we can drop in the other canvas. Then the software will feel like we need a copied version of it. And the original will be there and the copied version come up. So here you can able to move anywhere like. Whenever we drag something and place on the other canvas, what happen? It generate in a free form. But here it is not generated in a free frame. If not selection, then it doesn't allow you to move because it is not free. So what you have understood is like Photoshop by default any image in a locked position. But if it is any selection is drag and drop inside the other canvas, then here we can move it freely. So this particular concept is called layer concept, and it generates a layer. Layer means arrangement of the things in front and back. That is called layer. So we can switch to the Windows menu and go for layers, F7 button. Here you can find this layers. Here you can find in this canvas, the layer is in lock. But once you come to this particular canvas, you can see there are two layers and one is on the top, one is on the down. Layer is just like an arrangement, like if you're sitting somewhere, then on the back side there is a wall, that is second layer. You are on the front layer, and in front of you computer is that is again a layer. In the physical world, layer means this. On the digital world, it is flat 2D, so it cannot able to generate in front and back. So they have made it arrange up and down on the layer, but on the screen it is front, that is back. So here we can able to switch to that layer, whichever the layers we want. And this is the penguin layer. This is the background white color, and you can move it up. So now we have understood. Once you copy and paste or drag and drop any information to any canvas, then it by default create a new layer. And this is the reason why we can able to move the object freely. Now, the next. Once the selection is there, what more thing can be done? More thing in the sense, yes, we can load the selection once more, and here we can able to use the same past knowledge. What is the past knowledge? Filling the color, any particular color, and making a stroke, any particular color stroke. It may be white. So hope we have understood now how to make a selection, how to fill the selection with a particular color and make a stroke over to it and get a duplicate of this. And if this canvas is there and selection is there over it, instead of dragging normal with the move tool, we can drag it with the Alt button. Which button? Alt button. Then Along with the original, it forms a duplicate and forms in the same layer. So the layer remains the same if it is placed in the same document with Alt button. So here one more information we got to know. Alt and drag by move tool makes duplicate. Make duplicate. So here we have seen how to make photo collage. So easily you can able to make the photographs to come from the original canvas and place over here and get the color change of the background. This is the background layer where we can fill any color we wish. Then we can find the subject is in a different environment. Hope it is clear. Making poster designing and all done in this manner. So let us make uh, the background to come up with a new layer. Okay, we'll be learning the layers in details in the forthcoming classes. But what is the task could be done now with this knowledge? Take the lasso tool, make some photo cutting, get them placed in a new canvas, and get them arranged by the move tool. If you are taking the move tool and hold the alt and make a duplicate, then we can switch to any layer we want and we can place them anywhere we want. So duplicating and collaging photographs can be done with this. So let us move into the same tool once more. So here we have seen how to make photo cutting, the work. Photo cutting. Now the other use of the same tool, lasso. Before we have learned what rectangle tool, right? Rectangle marquee and all. Now we have learned lasso. Let us fuse them both together and see what kind of things we can do. So we have does have a option to make the selection randomly, and we can take the selection tool rectangle with intersection. That means what? Before thing and your present thing get out. Now can I fill the color? Yes. Then we can do experiment transform selection with changing the reference point, getting it okay, flip horizontal and fill the color. So here we have seen how to make a symmetrical design, and it could be a pattern also. So you can make that as a pattern and get it placed on your screen by control backspace. You can fill the background color. Now in this zone, we need to fit this particular patterns by the fill button, pattern, and recent created pattern is there in the town. So hope we have understood how to fill the pattern, and this area we don't need, then we can fill the white by the background color filling. Background fills happens with control backspace. So we have seen now how to make symmetrical design with the same tool, lasso. So we have used the same tool in two different manners, making freehand drawing and symmetric form. Is it okay? And the next. Now it is just like a pencil for us. We can make a simple circle. We can add more circles, right? We can subtract it up and you can add up and subtract something, right? And yes, we can add more. And we can subtract it. Now it is the time to go for fill the color or the backspace. So freehand drawing is possible. Character making at that point also, it can help us. Now we'll move the next. Before you have done with rectangle, make the rectangle now. Now use the lasso and do the experiment. Just we are doing a minus. So symmetrical design becomes easier. So from the rectangle, you can form the form, or else from the circle, also you can subtract the thing and make some line, floral art, right? And get it filled. So hope we have understood how to make use of the same tool in three different, just few examples we have given. So you can try it out. Making character. Character making, photo cutting, freehand drawing, symmetric formum. All these are the experiment of this. And beside to that, we can place a stroke. And we know how to make a strokes, 5 pixel strokes. So hope all these things are get clear. So lasso tool is under your control. Now tips and tricks on the tool. The time we move over to the first point, it will get it close. Second tips and tricks, we are drawing something and in the middle we will lift out. Then it close to the starting point with a straight line. And shift is to add, alt is to subtract. And alt and shift is to intersect. So tips and tricks on the tool is done. And press the enter, make the feather. And feather will make the selection smooth. While filling the color, or you can feel the smoothness on your screen. So hope we have understood how to handle the lasso and the strength of the lasso. But now we'll see the limitation of the lasso. Limitation of the lasso is like we have seen the penguin is selected, it takes a lot of time. And second, we cannot able to move exactly on the edge of your photograph. To get rid of this problem, they come up with another solution. Give a little break by the polygon lasso tool helps to hello hello
Yes.
does okay sorry this internet fluctuate happen here. I hope the screen is visible now.
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Okay. Now the next tool we are learning is polygon lasso. It helps to do the same selection but in a different manner, and the different manner is like click 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 click. Before you are drawing, now it is clicking. And if you feel like it is complete, then just double click, then it will close. And the second tips and tricks on this, it helps to do the selection with holding the alt, it make freehand. The time you release the alt, again it back to the polygon. So it is a combination of two tools, lasso and polygon together. So it is a better tool to do this selection. So hope we have understood why we are learning this to make photo selection. And we got to know two type of selections, freehand selections and basic form selections. If yes, we are trying to cover maximum area, then it is also a way. Then after yes, we can able to start fusing this. I mean like with addition. So the selection becomes faster. And now the inside polygon is there, where you can take the click and go, and make sure like it is to be in add form, because already selection is there. Find a plus sign, and yes, and hope we feel like it is to go like drawing kind of things, then hold the alt and draw, then leave your alt and have a double click, get it add. So hope we have understood a next higher tool to do this selection, because all the tools are there to get select only. Now click. If you have done something wrong, nothing to get worry. Hold the alt button and get it minus. So selection is easier. So addition, subtraction, tips and tricks, switching to lasso, coming to polygon, adding selections, all the things has been happening. So hope we have understood this polygon lasso. How does it works? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So inside that, again, another tool is there that is called magnetic lasso. So this magnet will behave just like a magnet. Whenever we click on any particular color, it will recognize that color and it creates the point automatic. If the software cannot able to recognize if color difference is not there, then we can hold the alt button and switch to the polygon immediately. And if you feel like color contrast is there, then again move on the edge by releasing the alt button, and again it does its own job. And whenever you feel like it is not possible by the software to recognize the colors, hold the alt button and go on clicking. So this is a combination of three tools. And if you feel like it is to be get draw, yes, that also possible to get draw the things. Instead of click, we can draw like this. So while drawing, it understand it is lasso tool. Again, release the alt, then back to the magnet once more. So hope we have understood how to add up extra things by the help of a color recognition in the magnetic lasso tool. So ultimately, all the tools are there to help us to do the selection only, but one is the having limitations, the other one does have a solution for it. Now, but every base tool does have its own job, because if the higher option is having the solution, then why to learn the lower option? This could be a question. And the answer is like, sometimes we need very fast cut selection, then lasso is used. Rough designs, rough selection. If you see any English paper, mid paper will be there, like city paper. Then actors are cut up very fastly. That doesn't have much time. So what they does, they take laser tool, just a rough drawing, rough cutting, over. So now we have understood every tool does have its own job. Now next tool is magnetic, like magic wand tool. Before that, quick selections. So quick selection helps to do the selection just like brushing. Go and brush the things, and the software understand we need this subject. So he understand the language and make the selection. If something get extra, then we can switch to the minus. So name of the tool, quick selection. It works as per the brushing into concern. It makes the selection too. So you can make a list out of all the selections. So we'll go after one. And the next is magic wand. Instead of click, brush, this much of time we don't have. Just one button click, the job is done. This particular tool is very fast, magic wand, and it recognizes the color and make the selections. If the subject is color contrast, then within one click it is selected. But if the color is not accurate, then you can increase the strength of the color recognition, and you can cover it a little more, little more. So hope we have understood. Within one click also, there is a tool which can able to help us to do the selection, but condition apply. If the color contrast is there, then this tool works nicely. Color contrast means surrounding color and the subject color is different, then it works nicely. Now this color, wherever it is there on your screen, if everywhere to get select, then there is a small button on the option bar that is called contiguous. That means if continuity is there, you select. If no contiguous, then anywhere this particular color is there, everywhere it gets select. So hope we have understood now magic wand is under the control of tolerance, the strength, and the area coverage will be covered by the contiguous button. So hope we have understood now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tools to do this selection. So let us make a brain mapping what we have learned of the selections. So every tool is doing selection only. So we can break down the selection tools into two parts: basic shapes and user defined shape. User defined shape. It is technically called custom shapes. Now basic shapes does have two major tools: rectangle and ellipse. But while going through this user defined, then we start off with a lot of tools. What are those? Lasso, polygon, and magnetic. This is a bunch. And the second bunch, quick selection and magic wand. So hope we have understood 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 method of doing selection. It is required, that's why they have given. What is the hotkey? L for lasso. And yes, we forgot one thing to write a polygon is for what? Polygon lasso. Polygon marquee tool, right? So here we have forgot one thing to write off, and that is called marquee. This is yes, so sorry. This is the place MM. Yes, we have written here M L L L, and here W. Quick selection. Hotkey are ready. This make the selection with drag. Either it is circle or anything drag. Here it works with draw. It is with click. It is with move. It is with brush. It is one click. So here we have mentioned the method of working. These two are color sensitive. Even magnet is also color sensitive. So hope we have understood now what are the different tools we have learned to make a photo selection. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make photo collage by using all these tools. And we have seen the method of working on the below. Is it done? Now I'll move to the higher options. Photo cutting and layer formation. So we'll move to the layers. We can make the selection and place in a new canvas. We can duplicate the layers by drag and drop. N number of penguins can be formed. We can make the penguin to go one behind to the other as per the requirement, one above to the other by dragging in the screen of the layer window. And we can make the selection by 2, 3 different manner. There is a simple button called auto selection. If it is on, then instantly whichever the layer we are selecting on the screen, it gets selected. So hope we have understood now what is called auto select and the concept going on layers detail. So here we can duplicate the layers by drag and drop inside the new, and the next auto select button to select anything freely. And the next use of the layers arrangement and you can go for alignment. Now the concept of alignment. So if it's to get aligned in a proper line, select all these things and go for the option bar and make it align to the left. And in between the penguins, the gap should be equal, then distribute. So hope we have understood now how to use the layers. What is the benefit of layers? So what are the benefits till now we have seen on this? We can change the background color. We can duplicate the design. We can align the design. We can distribute the design. So let us note down what is the benefit of the layers. If layers is not there, then you cannot able to move. Benefit of layer, because Photoshop is also called as a layer based software. So you can move it, right? We can duplicate it, or we can align it, or we can distribute it. So graphic design revolves around these technical terms. Distribution means what? Equal gapping in between the object. Gaps should be equal. Alignment means what? Edges should be properly placed. Duplicating, we are often doing in 2-3 different manner: alt and drag, copy and paste, and all. So 4 technical terms we have come across, which makes the design to look beautiful. So let us do more here. How to select the layers we have seen. The other way of making selection, if auto selection is off, control and click, control and click, click, click. So hope we have understood how to make this selection. If one layer is selected in a still position, then it doesn't like allow the others. So we cannot able to select this because auto selection is off. Whichever the layers we are, that layer only moves. If you need to move this, then we need to go for 2 processing. One, either make auto select on and click there, or else we can give a right click and find the layer name and jump to that layer. So there are 2 arrangement has been given, which allow us to make photo to get select. Now, alignment we have learned, auto select, and get them placed to the down. Hope we have understood now how to make photo collaging. Next, if the image is smaller or it is very bigger, then there is a small button in the option bar, show transform box. It allows you to stretch it to the next height. Hope we have understood now how to make photo collage. That's it, like the summary of the class. We have understood now how to make photo collaging, photo cutting, layer arrangement, different type of selection tools. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So I'm not making a more strain now. You do have class now?
At 9, sir.
Okay.
After 15 minutes.
Okay. So hope these tasks are not making you burden. Yesterday we have given some task.
No, sir.
You can do with your free times. And if sometimes you want to show the screen, I can make you host also, and you can see live. If you are facing any problem, then I can see while you are doing, and I can suggest you something.
Yes,
So
sir.
anytime you require, I can make you a host, so you can share your screen also. So it's a very practical oriented things, and that could be done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now photo collaging can be done. Photo mixing, you can try something. Take different photographs, make a cut with the selection tool, select it and move it through the move tool. and take a new canvas and get them collage proper. Is it done? Hello. Hello, Samati.
Yes, sir.
So will I stop? And, and you can make any design and send me up. Any doubt or any question is there?
No,
Hello?
sir.
Okay, okay. So the task is very clear, and make photo collage. And on the before day we have given some tasks, right? Make logo
Yes.
designing and all, grid working. Just do some events and just give me the print screen.
Yes, sir.
Fine, no? So today we have learned a lot of tools. So make a good note of it. Lasso, polygon, magnetic, quick selection, and magic wand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tools at a stage we have learned. So I'm just making it false because more if you tell then it will be a burden. The task, make a simple note, name of the tool, hotkey of the tool, method of working of the tool, examples, tips and tricks on the tool, and the brain mapping. Brain mapping is done here. It's okay. So all this double L, double M, double W goes with shift button. I need to use shift to jump to one to the other. Shift. Okay then. I'm stopping now the screen.
Yes.